Chinsa ni komi chebona marugobo monchu muri gereri nga kenera nego kwarigania SMS ya mwana maya asenchira yo gwengeri tukarigari manya Jumatatu ikomi chebona marugobo ankumanyigati yali yabalike baito bagendrete komurekera sobeme ane mono omugiro obo bali mu yibona ogendrete chinsemo a count amune chinsemo chinde aingati yali toko chokumurekera sobeme boigo ni gomo women rep account ya Kisidori zironya toto ayenyorera sabe bono seri tukuri yale roko bwatekana n'ikibura buru cyane kiwase bunge ya South Mugrango chinga kyale kuri obakonyi be wheelchair sensemejo ingati yale gendrete okolekana umoncho muri bayigo togendrete kumurekera soboime abayiga bariki bayitomba gendrete koja murekera nabo ngutsikanya nyora asenchira yoboime ekero yar grensemo yabono margobana Josephat Amisi nabayigo ne varinyo sero aseri tukurigere Jumatatu tariki 25 ne mumutinyo gatana gadato umwaka bukiri bubere na 24 nabakondra gutubwati goterense mili mtandao nsemeli ya Facebook nabogotera buna Ndizi TV News za digital nabayiga nsemeli ya YouTube tanyora buna Ndizi TV News tobase kweba gutubwati oiterase website ito www.ndizitv.net ngonyara konyora ya munenda mangoli tokubwatira nero goitira somuno bwimanyiriyo igakoro kwa Lydia Musekere Kristora Mumanyi aconnective chamu ligi cha wikere asenchira yobo ikiranto yekamanyirire kurwa sensemende studio twemanya mangana majya senchira yobwenge chinsa ikomichi yabono Marugoba. Franso ikibono literani nchenkuro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Ikotoko chake mesema ngana majana mono kurwa sebunge ya South Mugrango asema mbiyadarani kwa women rep county ya Kisidori Saburi enyora sabe sensemeli ye eskuru yo borosi ya nyakeyo chinga kyali kubwatoka chiwili chiago chia sabantu bale no bale ma sensemejo abante merongo kyendani go bale konyora bokonya seri tukuli alero maiga yechibura buru ko ene kigwa sensemejo konyora ngana no women rep county ya Kisidori Saburi nigate birobu nachi segie choni go chia segetrege siasa kole ngana nsema yani gate birobu no agendrete kurwani kwa gesiasa agendrete go ikirania emiroberi yaye asokurwa ko chiwilche joni go omuroburi yote nasegeka asikolendo mole yabo kwiranirwa na kunyara ko chiwilche ochi asabantu bali abatali kwenyara nemono bayigo bale no botaka abante berongo kyandani go beso kire walgo konya kasiri tukulya lero maiga yo gwateke chiburaburu asensemi yeskuru yo burosi yanyakeyo yo gotoka sebunge South Mugrango imeye county ya Kisii
ere twacha kwa na nebirogo nyakeyo konyora bangina 90 tali abangina yani people living abantu babwato bolema 90 konyora belikiri so abantu aba 90 diri baisaransete nali chikwerende chichiacha chi ebibago byachaka ko baminyoki bachaka gutagora chitenti cheito batirende torocho ko batwabire to complain molembe to yogusi ntoko bato complain kera lituko what we can say umuntu yoko bange binte bigati kagendera ko bangaseki donya tingo isaransa nyomba ngati ndiko kolega asi ko umuntu ngo sirenga pru igoncha ke gotama no nyendere nacha ga kinyuwete bobe igo onye nacha kindwarete mongo selirinde buya kwa mfano so I will still come, I will do my work aba mubwetenge mugo chikongosa rorabuna mwakole ire birema amaliga ari bireme bibyarerire amaliga ya naye ino ntuto twarenge byantorarera abangina bakominyoka abana babo batari konyara gotara mwabagoseri lakini rende tiganya saya ababere mumanyenga obore matali monto gochora ko bambuya mwari ko bangi event yende kanisa yani event yende asetoko koena na chianga lakini mocho ko banga aseto bangerete birema bitamanyite kominyoka ngamota geti baye guchi wheelchair ayota tumia wheelchair nkirende watakero gosali obugima bwa abantu abayiga so kisine bato muchandake but still mpaka ngenderere kwa na nebinte biga they must be prepared mpaka ngenderere kwa na nebinte
we don't handle officers like
na gotigana yono tumulikira sokorobekana kwa balimu kubona kugendereta koneke wa chinsem imeye county ya Kisii ni gobona balimu kurwa seke ombekerigia kupeta beso kya likonyara kokorobekana kwa boko mulembe katika tiyo muchobosongo kolengana balimu kurwa sorgongo rwagusiane mone imeye county ya Kisii ni gobate rubuna okorobekana kwa bono mugiro boemeremo kogendere oike serikali yegule na gotegerera kogani kwabo liko chinga kechwa mochire serikali asogotekera ni kogani kwabo okuno abegitese yo koigwa naso mwaka bwikiri bubere na 20 batano yomo oiko mwaka bw'ikiri 2025 2021-2025 CBN kolengana ne kiombe gya Kuppet nigo batebire nigo baigwanete bakanwa kintu ndebire kolengana no kuigwana kwa bamune serikali nigo bakane 2025 ni mutinyo gatana kabiro mwaka eta asentunde ya kabiro kolengana no kuigwana kwabo batarahakanwa okubona bamuchire serikali asogotekirania okugani kwabo no kuigwana babigitense ase myaka ya makiga.
Of Kuppet Kisii branch. As you are seeing behind me, these are teachers from Kisii County who are already prepared for the strike that is starting today because of the strike note that was issued by our national officials, led by our SG, that is Akelo Msoli, and we are fully behind our SG. We have our reducible minimums, that includes full implementation of the CPA phase 2, confirmation of the JSS teacher, that is for 6,000. The government must confirm them. Promotion of our teachers, the government must ensure that they have promoted our teachers. And many other demands, including our comprehensive medical cover. We are aware that the government has already reduced our comprehensive medical cover from 21 billion to 11 billion. We want them to increase that amount so that our teachers can be able to get proper medical care and many other demands.
So we are here to demand that the government honors its pledge. Many of our teachers here have received warnings from the banks that they are not paying loans, whereas TSC deducts money every month. So we are here demanding that all the money deducted from our teachers is paid to the banks and all the other third parties.
Where we were deducted our medical allowance to go to the comprehensive medical scheme. But now this medical scheme is a scam, and teachers are suffering. Every time you go to hospital, you must make a call. You must make a call for you to be approved, and that is wrong. We are teachers. We are demanding our dignity as teachers. And teachers of Kisii County are tired. Teachers of Kenya are tired. And today we have donned our tools and we are on the streets demanding for our rights. Kuppet power! Power!
na gotigira boigo asokorobekana kwa balimu togendera kumurekera rega tokorekana boigo imenye county ya Kisii nigo chinga kichibono abalimu korwa ase county ya Kisii boigo batigara ko mucheke mbekirgia teacher service commissioner ko bwatekana no gotekerania ko gani kwabo nigo chinga kibanyarira gote abuno mugiro boigo nyara kogendera ase kerenga buna abantu batakere kuri ko ikaroboni gambarari kwa nengana bagendrete gusingirna ko muche serikali asogote abuna tebwate bese gucuikerana kuri kabalimu kolengana borobuni batebere buno serikali tirucuikerania ko gani kwabo mbali guchikoirana asemeremo.
Signed a CPA covering 2021-2025, and we agreed as members with the government that we were supposed to be paid in 2 installments. One installment was paid last July, and as we speak, the second installment has not been paid. And so far the government has already reported that they do not have money to pay. That's our one issue, and we are demanding that that money must be paid because it was an agreement deposited in a court of law and procedurally negotiated.
We are behind the executive secretary, we are behind the national union leadership, and we are saying wale wazazi ambao wataleta watoto shuleni, hao watoto mtakuja muwafunze. Sisi kama walimu, starting today, we are on the streets and
chinga kichibo igaba ari mukuru ase county ya Bungoma nigo bagendretse no korobekana kwabo aso kwa Amerika irana se emirimo yabo ase birase nigo bari mabukuru ase kombe gya Kuppet bate biruno wikira boni ga serikali terekeranye ko gani kwabo nabo igo bate bira serikali wente ko barika abari mu chiribu emeronge na batano yomo ane mono kuru ase Meria Junior Secondary School ngane terekani wane serikali abari mabo igo nigo basingereta ko tebune ngari yabo wente wakanwa ni gerenke mono asabagane serikali komento wakani kwabo nabo nigo basingereta ko tebune abari mu chiribu merongevere babwente komento asobo korrewa balimu ane mona sense Meria Junior Secondary na boigobono ni school cha secondary aiga sense ya Kenya.
In early 70s, members of parliament were earning 12,000 as teachers were earning 1,800. Right now, members of parliament are earning in millions when teachers are earning in peanuts. They should keep off where the teachers want them to school. They have never appreciated what the teachers are doing in this country. Teachers who cannot be the slaves in our own country. Teachers who never went to school, never to be paid. Teachers who never went to school to suffer.
Chinga kichwa igomo giroini kwa gendera si county chinde meye county ya Nyeri komolekera bo igokorobekana nabo no mugiro bwa bali mu asechi school ni go gendera tukone kiwense mejo kolengane kyombe kya bali mu kurose county ya Nyeri ni go basingereta ko tsabo igobuna bali go chikera ne birasi me ko ikya serikali ya tegerere na koigwa okogane kwabo.
Tunawaambia TSC ambaye ni mwajiri wa walimu kwamba sisi hatungatuki, kwamba haturudi shuleni mpaka hayo ambayo tume demand yaweze kushughulikiwa yote. Tena kwa wazazi, tunaambia wazazi wakae na watoto wao nyumbani, hapo ndipo ambapo wako salama. Walimu kwamba wana mikutano ya staff meeting, na hiyo tunasema ya kwamba walimu wasidhubutu kufika pale shuleni, na tunasema ya kwamba kwa wakati huu ni wakati wa mgomo. Huu ni mgomo ambao ni very legal, na kwa hivyo tunatarajia kwamba kila mwalimu ataweza kujiunga na huu mgomo.
Boigo abali mu kurose county ya Kajiado go bakorokorobekana kwabo go ikasama ga cheke ombekeri yage ko balika bali mu Service Commission TSC asensemeyo kolengana abali mu abuni go basingerera ko tebune serikali ni gebwata mamochogo tekerani yokugane kwa bali mu no nyama ya kubeka nsoko iwana kwabo imeye county ya Kajiado ni gabali mu bategereta ko tebuna merobeli yokugendera na masomo ni gera chikote na segeka oike serikali yegule boigo okugane kwabo.
Ifika mahali wakasema walimu wamepewa hiyo pesa, walimu wameenda kwa accounts wameangalia hakuna hizo pesa, na hizo pesa ndio tunataka. Hizo pesa zikitumwa tutaangalia mambo yao.
Na upande hii nyingine walimu ambao wako na ng'ombe wameenda kwa mama wanachunga, wale wako na biashara ya kuuza njugu, karanga, tunaenda ndio tutafute. Sasa hivi hakuna walimu kwa shule. Tunasema tu serikali waingilie kati, waone kama venye tunaweza rudia tuongee, kwa sababu sisi hatuna ubaya. Walimu wako na njaa.
It is a 24-hour job and their allowances must be enhanced. Postgraduate allowances, watu wamesoma, wengine ni madaktari, some are masters holders, na wao tunaomba kwamba waongezewe allowances zao ili watu wapewe motisha ya
Mwishumulikira bona yungati yali twakoriganiria se margoba yaboni gasenchera yo bwenge korogense mu yabona margoba na bogi sato chewona butuko imeye manye Jumatatu no chikomera na Josephat Yamise Varino Sero na Victor Sultana anemono ase manye amaya ense yamone sato chewona butuko litukeriga ali Jumatatu mbiyemo sogo chora gotengera Ndizi TV hobwansubo mugosi tumara na litukolinde SMS mangana maye litukoli yanki butuko yamone sato chewotuko olitwabwatira na regwetera sumuno bwimanyiriyo higakorokwa Lydia Musen ekalkali stara mumanyi ane kichibi chamulu cyago ikere asenchera yobo ikran toro bulgari yobuya tomirana kinga kichinde mitandao buna butamba Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na wigansemeli ya YouTube tunarubuna Ndizi TV News da tobasokwe bagotobwatu wetera se website yetu no tambe www.ndizitv.net. Tetera Vincent Onyancha.